One good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time you're hearing this. You're welcome to this online seminar by Cardioman Technologies. Cardioman Technologies is an online healthcare education company. You are here because you want to get your BLS certificate, your ECG, your mental health awareness, your CPR plus AED, your blood-borne pathogens, your ultrasound course. That's the reason why you're here. I want you to pay proper attention to what we're going to tell you, because what we're going to tell you will be important to know, not just the certifications to take, but what kind of certification to take and how to go about it. At the end of this seminar, you'll be fully informed and you'll be ready to join on board. So once again, you're welcome to Cardioman. My name is Dr. Nelson Olemabu. You can see my name on the screen. I'm a medical doctor. I practice in Plateau State, Nigeria. And then let's hit the ball running. Okay, so without any further ado, the reason we have Cardioman is because we want to ensure that healthcare professionals are empowered. And what's your empowerment as a healthcare professional? It's not just what you say with your mouth, it's not what you say you can do, it's what you can show in a certification that you can do. Now, some of you have made the mistake, you graduated as a pharmacist, you graduated as a midwife, or you graduated as a medical lab scientist. It's just your BSc that's there. What about your blood-borne pathogen? What about your CPR plus A? These other files should be added to your CV when you're seeking for a job. And that's what we're empowering you for. You just don't go to the interview empty-handed. The young man who was going for a Shell interview just some days ago, and he had to rush to my BLS. Now, the BLS certificate, he simply went online on Cardioman platform and then he got his certification. And today he's in Port Harcourt. All right, so we are empowering healthcare professionals. We are unlocking your potential with international medical certificates. You have to be able to prove in a document that you're able to do what you say you're able to do. We are your partners, all right? You see you have a skill. We bridge the gap between you and the skill you say you have. We're going to show it in a document. That document is going to be added to your CV. All right. So we want to also make sure that we have a world in which a medic can bring the best out of their career by taking definite steps to get certified. The knowledge needs to be certified by reputable organization. All right. And then this is where Cardioman comes in. In future, every medic will be able to, with ton of blockchain technology, will be able to prove that you have a certificate, you've practiced for so number of years. It will show digitally whenever you go for a job online. It will show digitally that you've practiced for so long, you have this certificate, you have this skill. Those are the things I'm going to incorporate in the Cardioman platform, right? And that is what Cardioman stands for. We're going to speak for you. So this platform will probably be given elsewhere at the rates that other companies are giving it to, but Cardioman has a reputation to keep, all right? Those bodies are not in affiliation with Cardioman except we otherwise state so. Without any further ado, let us quickly talk about the Cardioman advantage. Cardioman advantage is that we're going to give you internationally recognized medical certifications at an affordable price and deliver straight to your home, straight to your house, straight to your device, straight to your laptop. The reason why you choose us is because since 2019, since pre-COVID, we have been in the business of certifying healthcare professionals. You remember during the COVID period, during the COVID pandemic, it was very difficult to have healthcare professionals certified. And that's where Cardioman Technologies, we stepped up to the game and we're able to get healthcare professionals certified in the comfort of their homes, right? So we're able to get doctors, nurses, pharmacists, basic medical lab scientists, midwives. They were all coming on the Cardioman platform because during the COVID pandemic, you could not get out of your home to say you want to go and take a certification class. What you did was you did it on Cardioman. Even after post-COVID, we've continued to do the good work in remote parts of the world. Some places in Pakistan, in Kenya, in South Africa, people are signing up to our platform to get certified. Yes, we say that our certifications are international. Yes, it's internationally recognized. In fact, In fact, we have a coverage based on, not just based on Cardioman alone, but based on the companies for which we partner with. We have the medical locum jobs Nigeria, right? We also have certificates from companies like the United States NHCPS. Because of these, we are internationally recognized. We have instant certification. When you finish a course, we don't say, oh, wait for so and so day before you finish your course and get your certificate. Immediately you click the submit button, the system will automatically grade your courses and your certificate will be instantly downloaded at the comfort of your home, straight to your device. You can also print it out like you see in this icon. Yeah, see in this icon here. You can simply print out your certificate at the comfort of your home. At the comfort of your home. All right. You want it in, most papers will use the A4 landscape mode, hard copy paper to print out the certificate. You're studying from home in Cardioman. You're not having to go to one place somewhere. Even in our CPR certification, later we'll talk about our CPR practicals and how we're able to have practicals. Some of the things that we don't have practicals in Cardioman, but that's not true. We actually have practicals in Cardioman. All right, so let's just move on. Now let's talk about the courses that we have on offer. You see, this is the courses we have on offer. All right, first of all, we'll talk about the emergency courses. The emergency courses from the United States NHCPS. All right, we have the BLS, the ACLS, the pediatric ACLS, the CPR plus AED. These courses are courtesy of the United States NHCPS, who offer the courses at their own rates, at their own prices. Cardioman Technologies is also a window for which you can take those courses. The basic life support. How do you identify a patient who needs resuscitation? What is entailed in the basic life support? What is the steps to resuscitation? All right. What are the kind of things that you look out for in a patient that may have passed out, the patient that may have drowned? What are the what do you call what do you call the concepts of basic life support? Do you have a working knowledge of basic life support? How do you perform CPR? What are the algorithms involved in basic life support? Do you know how to do airway management? That's what is entailed in the basic life support. We also have the advanced cardiac life support. All right, here in the ACLS, it's a bit advanced. Right, students identify how to manage and regulate, all right, to nearly all cardiopulmonary emergencies and crises to improve patient outcome. That's what is entailed in the advanced cardiac life support. You identify the first assessment, you review, explain the principles and the rationale behind defibrillation. You know that machine you put on the chest of someone, you've seen in all the movies. That's part of the basic life support. You want to integrate the concepts of system of care in resuscitation scenarios. All right. So if you're just joining in, this is Cardioman Technologies, and this is our seminar on a welcome seminar on the courses that we have on offer. We are currently talking about the basic life support. We've finished the basic cardiac life support, and we're talking about how to recognize the algorithm for specific advanced cardiac life support cases. Moving on, we're talking about the pediatric advanced cardiac life support. Now, from the word pediatric advanced, we're talking about students who can identify how to manage and respond cardiopulmonary emergencies in children. All right. So after you complete our pediatric advanced cardiac life support, you should be able to explain the importance of cardiopulmonary arrest in children. We'll review the pediatric ALS protocol. All right. Integrate the concept of pediatric chain of survival to recognize. Okay, so those are other courses we have. We have the CPR plus AED as a separate course. We have the bloodborne pathogen. All right. So we also have other courses. We have as the mental health awareness. Mental health awareness. This seminar is not going to be long. In the mental health awareness course, you're able to identify what is the definition of mental health? What is the definition of mental health, and what does it mean to be aware of one's mental health? You want to be able to identify mental health illness, identify common severe mental health illnesses. At the end of that course, you should be able to recognize the things that cause stress in yourself and in others. Be able to select strategies that help us to cope well with everyday stress. You don't just know this, all right? We have a lesson plan. At the end of the lesson, you are able to have a basic knowledge of mental health awareness and also get certified. And don't forget, that's what Cardioman is for. You get your certificate, and you are able to be certified. We also have the ECG course. On an ECG course, we talk about the ECG is short for electrocardiograph. The electrocardiograph or the electrocardiogram. You're able to identify the ECG leads and their clinical significance. You're able to identify abnormal ECG patterns. This is what Cardioman is offering you. All right, that ECG course is about 2 weeks or thereabouts. We'll get to the duration of the courses. Another course we also have on offer is the basic ultrasound course. All right, we also have the ultrasound course is an abdominal ultrasound course or obstetric ultrasound course. In the obstetric ultrasound course, it's interactive, it's online, it's for 10 days. We focus on clinical experiential learning. At the end of the course, you're able to select the equipment which is appropriate for examination of a pregnant woman. You're able to see the morphological features in ultrasound of early pregnancy, how about diagnosing pregnancy abnormalities such as miscarriage, ectopic pregnancy. You're able to write a structured report and carry out an explanation of the scanning you've just done to the patients. We also want to be able to carry out a biophysical profile. These and many more. And just go through everything. So that's talking about the ultrasound course. All right. So let's moving on. Then we also have the abdominal ultrasound course where you talk about the inguinal hernia or maybe a pyelonephritis or maybe a hepatomegaly. In the abdominal ultrasound course, you will see that included in the offer from Cardioman. Who are eligible for these courses? We'll put these courses online, and then you want, if you're eligible, are you a healthcare assistant, starting from the healthcare assistant? Are you a midwife? Are you a nurse? Are you a pharmacist? Are you a medical lab scientist? Whatever medical course you've learned, you are in the clinical setting, found yourself in the clinical setting, you are fully eligible to take the course. Are you a doctor? You're fully eligible to take this course. All right, so you're eligible to take the course if you're a medical professional in the clinical setting, or you hope to become a medical professional in the clinical setting, or you are a medical student in the clinical setting. You are eligible to take the course. And do you know that even every member of the public is eligible to take this course, especially that's our BLS course. All right, so that is what we are on about. Now we have 2 packages of courses. Now for convenience, since we have many courses, right? Sometimes your profession, you're required to take maybe 1 or 2 courses. And so we're able to package these courses into the basic package and the complete package. The basic package and the complete package. All right? I'm just going to go through what is entailed in the basic package. The basic package, we have the PLS, ACLS, ECG, mental health awareness, CPR plus E, blood-borne pathogen. This is included in the basic package. Then in the complete package, you have all of what is in the basic package, in addition to ultrasound, whether obstetric ultrasound or abdominal ultrasound. The ultrasound course is monthly and it's interchanged. If we do abdominal ultrasound this month, the next month we will do the obstetrics ultrasound. So those are the 2 packages of courses that we have. So sometimes if you're a medical lab scientist, you just take the basic package because you probably don't have something to do with the ultrasound. You can also take a single course, but you note that taking one single course at the end of the day is more expensive. And so that's the reason why Cardioman Technologies will put our courses into packages for you to benefit more. Now, how can a hospital or a company verify your certificates? This is what people get to know. Certificates, are they verified? How can they be verified? What is why would they recognize my certificate? Why would they how would they know? Now there is a dashboard I was going to show you something. There's a dashboard when you log into your course that the platform Cardioman is going to give you. When you log into your platform, there's a place where you put the email address of the company you're applying to. Now, when you click send my certificate, the certified true copy of a certificate will be sent from the United States straight down to the company you're applying for. That is one. Number two, each certificate has a QR code. Each certificate has a QR code. So these are the ways in which a company can verify a certificate. It is attested to straight from the United States, and then each certificate has a QR code. Now, the certificate will offer to you. Nobody else can just simply clean your name and write it. Why? Because in our database, we also have the name and your certification in our database. I hope that's clearly understood. Where is Cardioman located? Cardioman is located at Suite 29, Cinema Plaza, opposite Bingham University Teaching Hospital in Plateau State in Nigeria. That's where our head office is located. Maybe subsequently we'll have branch offices in Lagos, in Kaduna, in Benin, in Port Harcourt, in Akwa Ibom, in different parts of the country. But for now, this is where we are. We are in the middle belt of Nigeria, in Plateau State. Now, duration of courses in Cardioman, let us see. The BLS is 1 day. Actually, the BLS is 2 hours long. The ACLS is 1 day, roughly between 2 to 4 hours. The CPR plus AED course is also 1 day. The mental health awareness is about 5 days. If you take an average of 2 hours per day, you will be able to complete in 5 days. The ECG is 7 days. The ultrasound course is 10 days at an average of 2 hours per day. That's the duration of our courses. They are short courses. Now, we have the certification of our course. The standard certificate is for 2 years. We're talking about the emergency courses now, the BLS, the ACLS, the pediatric ACLS. The standard license duration is for 2 years. Now, after 2 years, you're able to certify your course with Cardioman Technologies. Yes, you're able to recertify with Cardioman Technologies. And when you do this, it extends your certificate for an additional period of 1 more year. Now, that recertification course with Cardioman is actually free if you certified initially with Cardioman. Let us move on. The practical aspect of our courses, very important. All right, we have CPR practicals for those who have completed their emergency courses. So when you finish your BLS, you finish your ACLS, finish your pediatric ACLS, your CPR plus AED, you are given a link to sign up and wait for the CPR practical. Now, the physical classes are done in each candidate's home. See, you just put your phone in your house, you connect to us online. Now, we'll show you how to get the practical material in your own home. After the Cardioman is fully internet facilitated. This is awesome. In your own home, you're able to follow the CPR course, and then you're able to get on with practical hands-on experience with your own devices. We'll show you how to get them free of charge with your own devices, and then you're able to chest compression and how to do the depth of compression, how to perform CPR. That is our practical course. The practical class it usually goes every month, right? And the date is announced in your WhatsApp. The date is announced in your WhatsApp group. That's the CPR practical aspect. Of course, these are testimonials. These are one of the first candidates that were in this program. You can see this one is an oil worker. You can see him and he's a pointer. He's an oil a clinician here. Let's move on. You can see this is a nurse, a public health nurse, and you can see this gentleman here also finished with Cardioman. All these are from Cardioman. These are guy again. These are from Cardioman. These are from Cardioman Technologies. These are from Cardioman Technologies. You can see them smiling, happy. I don't know where these people live and different parts of the country, but yet we're able to make them have the certificates. So we've come to we're running up this seminar, and this is how to start. Now, for those before you get on this slide, I want to tell you that the slots we have in Cardioman are limited. Yes. for each month, we have a quota that we can take, beyond which we cannot take candidates. Why? Because if the class is too full, it'll become rowdy, okay? Especially the ultrasound course, because the instructor candidate pairing has to be optimal. So the earlier you get in, the better. I hope you understand this. Now, this is how to start. The basic package, sorry about that. The basic package is 15,000 naira. The complete package is 18,500 for those in Nigeria. For those outside Nigeria, just request for a link where you can pay your costs in probably US dollars or your country's local currency. We have the Kwacha, we have the South African Rand, all right? But for those in Nigeria, it's 15,000 naira, and it's 18,500 for the complete package, 15,000 for the basic package. So I want to just do a quick conversion for those in other African countries. Okay, let's just do it, convert it to US dollars. So you're able to convert it to your own currency. All right. So to US dollars as at today is about 20 US dollars. So it is subject to change from time to time. Please find out what is the current price and what is the current US dollar rate. So if you're from Kenya, if you're from Rwanda, if you're from South Africa, if you're from eastern part of Africa, North, in fact, any English-speaking country from all over the world, right? Just request from the link, and we'll show you the link, and then you're able to make payment with your MasterCard or your Visa card. We accept international payments. And then we also have a link for blockchain. If you want to make your payments via blockchain, we also have a link for that. Just request for it within the WhatsApp group. All right. We're going to send you that. And please, we have limited course slots. All right. So once again, you're welcome to Cardioman. We've come to the end of this seminar. So at the end of the seminar, please request for your link and begin to make your payment. The slots are filling up fast. We are not going to take beyond what we can handle. We don't want to have you disappointed. Yes, we will refund you if you took our certificates to a company that should employ you and they tell you they don't take our certificates. We're going to call the company, we're going to have an understanding with them, and then we're going to refund you your money without stressing you. We have a reputation to keep, so we have 100% money back guarantee. This is Cardioman Technologies. Welcome once again. My name is Dr. Nelson. Broadcasting this live from Cardioman headquarters in Plateau State, Nigeria. Thank you once again, and let's get you certified wherever you are. Ciao.